Meaning of harpist.
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 Harpist. A harpist is a musician who plays the harp, a plucked stringed instrument. Harpists can perform solo or as part of an ensemble, providing melodic and harmonic accompaniment to songs or musical pieces. They may also play in orchestras, chamber music groups, and bands. Harpists must have excellent hand-eye coordination, as well as an ear for pitch and rhythm. They often practice for hours every day to perfect their craft. Harpists can perform in a wide variety of musical styles, from classical to folk, jazz to pop, and are highly respected musicians within the music industry.